In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to your Bitget. So first of all, open your crypto.com app and then click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you just have to click on this crypto option. Then you will see your cryptocurrencies in your wallet. Now from here, simply select this USDT. Then on the screen, tap on this transfer button. And from this window, select this withdraw option. Then from this option, select external wallet. After that, you just have to tap on this plus icon on the top right corner. Here you just have to select your network that you want to use to transferring your USDT. So I will select Ethereum ERC20. After that, you have to paste your wallet address. So you have to open up your Bitget app and then click on this assets option from the bottom of your screen. After that, click on this deposit button. Then here from this list of cryptocurrencies, select USDT, or you can also use this search feature to find. After you find it, you need to tap on it. Then you have to click on this choose network option. From this list of networks, select ERC20 or whatever network that you want to use. After that, you will be able to get your wallet address. So simply click on this copy button and then go back to crypto.com app and paste the wallet address in this wallet address section. Then enter the wallet name and then click on continue. Then this might show you this warning. Simply click on yes, I trust this address. Then your address will be added here. Then you just have to click on this withdraw button right next to your wallet address. Then this will show you this warning again. Click on confirm and withdraw. Here just enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your Bitget and then click on withdraw. On the screen, simply double check everything and then click on this confirm button, and that's it. Your USDT will be transferred from your crypto.com to your Bitget. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.